Let's get back to the major breaking news that we're following. Orleans Parish Sheriff Susan Hutson, 5 days left on her term, indicted on 30 criminal counts.
Legal analyst Pat Fanning is here. Pat, as you heard Trevor say, 5 days left in her term. We have the state attorney general coming in to handle this case. Talk about the optics of all of this.
Well, what we have is a Republican Trumpster attorney general, who of course was the chief of the deputy under Jeff Landry when he was attorney general. And so now he comes in and indicts a black female Democrat in a blue city as she's going out the door of office. So to me, she's going to make some stink about this is all political.
She's going to hire a criminal defense lawyer. You see the charges, they're vague right now. How does she begin to defend what's in this indictment?
All the particulars will have to come out during the discovery process. So whoever her lawyer is will have to come in and file motions and say, okay, you say she committed the offense of malfeasance. How did she do that? We can't defend this general charge like this. Give us overt acts. Tell us what she did. Did she fail to hire enough people? Did she fail to supervise properly? What did she do? And to me, those general accounts of the malfeasance, those are going to be hard to prove because every sheriff we've ever had has had jail escapes. So that's nothing new to us. But where she might be in trouble is with those obstruction of justice and maintaining false records. You know, sometimes the cover-up is worse than the crime, so that might be where she gets in real trouble.
So you said we'll see more, I guess, coming up in the bill of particulars. But even here, last year we went from her saying, you know, this was a witch hunt and that possibly there was some attempt to make her look bad to her being indicted for the actual jailbreak, which is quite the turn of events.
Yeah, well, you know, getting an indictment from a grand jury is typically not a difficult thing to do. And so it's just a question of, did the Attorney General make up her mind just recently, okay, let's pull the trigger and bring the indictment back. But until we see what the evidence is and what the particulars are, if all they say is she didn't run the jail properly, they got a weak case because nobody's ever been able to keep these escapes from happening.
Right. Some will defend her saying, hey, look, it may have been a mistake, it may have been incompetence, but is incompetence a crime?
No, incompetence is not a crime. They're going to have to show that there was some legal standard that she had to meet in order to perform her duty. And she failed to meet that standard. How did she fail to meet the standard? She didn't hire enough deputies. She wasted money on hotel rooms for Mardi Gras instead of spending them on jail guards, things like that. And that'll be the argument. But you remember, you're going to have an Orleans Parish jury here, a petty jury. So when she goes to trial, she's not going to have Republicans on the jury like she might have in some other parishes, other districts.
All right. Stick around.